What's up, guys? This is knivesplus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We're going to be taking a look at the Spyderco Lil Native today. New release for the end of 2017, and really is a pretty lightweight, small, compact knife here. It has a totally different look and feel, to me at least, than the full-size Native, but the blade shape and everything is reminiscent of the larger size. It does have a wire pocket clip. It is reversible to the left or right hand side of the knife. You have G10 scales here. They are textured for that added grip, and then you've got a skeletonized steel liner that's kind of nested inside of there, so really adds to the strength on that. Opens with one hand with the spider hole there. Overall length 6 inches long, so really a pretty small little knife here. It does weigh 2.5 ounces, so very, very lightweight. The blade on this knife is 2.5 inches. It is an S30V blade steel, stonewash finish, and a full flat grind here. No jimping on the top of the blade or the bottom here, but you do have some small jimping on the liner that's kind of nested down in that G10 scale. It opens and closes very nicely. It's like I said, a small knife, but because of that cutout here for your index finger, you can really get a great grip on it to do some heavier duty stuff if you needed to. So cool little gentleman's knife. Like I said, these are available at knivesplus.com. I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knivesplus.com to learn more.